Hi all. Okay, so I'm still working with this hair. If you saw the video, oh, there's my dog. A video of me a few weeks ago, I was saying that she chopped my hair. And if you can see, these bangs are still growing out. Anyway, I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I'm so excited. I have no idea how these turned out. So I ordered some boxes from Vistaprint for my gift box business, and Vistaprint offers a smaller quantity because if you go to any of the, even Alibaba or anything like that, you have to buy like 1,000 boxes, and I just wanted to try these out. So I felt that these from Vistaprint, I'm gonna pause it. These from Vistaprint were a little bit more per box, but I could just order like 12 just to test them out. And this is just gonna upgrade my gift box. I'm hoping so much they turn out okay. So I'm gonna unbox. I think you can see it down here. So I'm gonna do it, and I'm praying, because they don't give you like a sample box or anything, and they don't even show you. They do a little preview of what they'll look like. I'm scared to do this with the scissors because I don't want it to cut the boxes or the packaging inside. But they give you a little preview, but it's really hard to tell what they'll look like. So I have 3 gift boxes. I have a lemonade box, I have a birthday box, and I have a home box. So I only got it for the birthday box. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I only got it for the birthday box and the lemonade box. So I can see right now that this is the lemonade. And I don't even know how to open this up here. Let's see. I'm gonna put this in front of me. So, let's see how this looks here. Okay, so I can see. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out, and I did have to order it a little bit bigger than I normally have it. So let's put it together. We're gonna put it together. Put this right over here. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like that. Let me see what it looks like once I put it all together. So these are again gonna go for my gift boxes. I'm really excited because, so I'm doing this video just in case you're a creator or maker and you want to do your own. This is a good choice, I'm hoping. So let me put it together for you so we can see what it looks. And actually the construction of the boxes are really nice and thick. And I feel like this is gonna upgrade. Yes, okay, I'm very excited. Okay, so once I get the lemonade box, I'll put all the items in it and you'll be able to see it, but this is what it looks like. And I think it turned out really nice. I'm very excited. Okay, so I think this is a good option for any creators or makers because it's not crazy expensive, and they always have a coupon for first-time buyers. So I'm gonna open now. I'm gonna open the birthday box. Okay, so you're gonna unbox with me. Let's see here. I'll probably speed this up in post and editing. Okay, so it took me a long time to create it. I did get some ideas from, I just made it on those free sites that you can make pictures on. Okay, it's not sponsored, by the way. Okay, so I've got my birthday box now. Pull it out, I'll show you what it looks like before I put it together. Nice, okay, so let's check it out. Put this together. And like I said, I really do think, because if you, Alibaba was very cheap per box, but the minimum is so much, and the shipping was like, it was like a penny per box, but shipping is like $500. So it's like, okay. And you have to buy like 500 of them or something, and I'm not gonna go through 500. I mean, I may, that's my goal, right? To go through them where I have to continue to order it. Let's see what this looks like. So there is an option, by the way, on Vistaprint. It does cost more to print on the inside of your box and the outside. I did just print on the outside because I do like to write a personal message on the inside. Ooh, this turned out really nice. And the construction of the box is really hardy and thick. I really like it. Okay, so for those looking for an option, Vistaprint is great. I've ordered, this is my first big order. I feel like years ago I ordered, like, I'm not sure, like business cards maybe, something like that. So anyway, that's my video. That's my unboxing. I hope you find this informative, especially if you're a creator. And I don't have any codes for you, but they do always have you can check the codes on AI. Just ask, hey, are there any coupon codes for this company? It'll come up with some. Usually they have not worked, but they for sure have a first time buyer code. Thanks.